Hey guys, what's going on? It's your host Paul, and today I'm going to show you guys how to open up an individual brokerage account. So we're over here at Webull, and the reason I'm choosing Webull is for a lot of different reasons. The first being it has an easy to use interface, so it should allow us to navigate from page to page, stock to stock fairly easy. And then speaking of stocks, this platform allows for purchase of stocks and ETFs. It also allows us the ability to trade options, which is going to be important in the future. Also, the most important thing to me is it allows us the ability to buy fractional shares. So you don't need all the money up front to buy one whole share of your favorite company. So I have plans for this account, and what I would like to do is start off by depositing $500, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a $100 recurring payment each week. And I would like to provide bi-weekly updates on how things are going as I'm buying shares and just showing you guys how the process works. So overall with this, I just want to show you guys that buying stocks does not have to be scary. I want to help eliminate and take out the fear of being in the stock market. So I want to take you guys on this journey, and then let's just see how it goes. All right. So we're already at Webull. Type that in, webull.com. Took us here to the main page. I'm going to go to sign up. And so obviously I'm not going to show you all my personal information, but you see here, you can sign up with your phone number. So I'll go ahead and put that in and get the verification code, and I'll see you guys on the next screen. Okay, so I created a password, and now I have different account options. So for this particular case, I want to open up an individual account. So this account, I'm going to have to provide tax information at the end of the year, and we're going to deal with the long-term capital gains taxes, the short-term capital gains taxes with this account. But say I make a big trade of some sort, that money can be pulled out and used for whatever I want. But for YouTube purposes, I plan on keeping all the funds in this account. So I'm going to go ahead and open up an individual account. So I'm going to press the button. I'm going to go ahead and just go to open account. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my email in, and I'll get with you guys on the next screen. So now we have to go through more of a background check type deal. So I'm gonna answer these questions. United States, and I'll put my driver's license in. Right. So on this, I'll use the QR code. Okay, so verify my driver's license. So we'll continue on. It goes through, asks some of your information, such as like social security, address, things of that nature. Now we're at the point where I'm putting in my employment. Okay, so we'll continue on, and I'll see you guys later. So now they want you to choose the option that applies, and a lot of these options are just speaking on the fact of, do you have family members that deal with publicly traded companies? Do you have any type of inside information? So for a lot of people, this answer is none of the above. Okay, so more financial information, just rough estimates of like how much you make per year, your net worth, things of that nature. So I'll put all that information in, and I'll get with you guys later. Okay. So now they want to know my investment experience. I'm going to say good. I'm going to say growth. And I've been doing this around 8 years at this point. Okay, this right here is very important when we're talking about the account types here. Margin, allows for you to use leverage. So it's essentially taking out like a small loan to be able to buy things with. As a beginner, I do not recommend this. So I'm going to choose cash account. So whatever cash I have in the account, that's the cash I'll be using to purchase my stocks and my options, okay? So let's go with the cash account. Okay, now we're looking at the trading privileges. So what kind of things do we want to be able to trade? Definitely stocks, ETFs, and we'll go ahead and select options. Okay, so when we're looking at the types of options, I want to go ahead and go level 2. I've been trading options for definitely greater than 3 years. Different risk criteria. They want to check your mental here. I have a high risk tolerance. All right, and that's all. So it's really not that hard to get everything set up. At this point now, I'm just waiting for everything to go through review and process. But once that happens, I'll go ahead and deposit my $500 and I'll make my first purchases. So thank you. And until the next time,